And now I'm going to click on Edit Services. Now what you're going to see is your primary category. Remember I told you my primary category was marketing agency. So it's showing that again under the services screen. And you're going to see under that are all these little sub-services that I can start ranking for on the little map section. Now Google has added most of these in. I put some of them in the past. I'm going to show you how to put extra ones in. But I also want to show you when you get down to the bottom, and this is where most people miss this, is you're going to have your additional categories here. So you have website designer, additional category, and Google has not put anything under that. So I want to make sure I start filling that out completely. And I'm going to show you on some other types of service businesses, not just mine, in just a second here. Now you can see I also have marketing consultant as an additional category. So I also want to start putting extra ones down there. And the way I'm going to start doing this is just click on edit right here. Now Google's giving you all these little options here. So I'm going to click on custom website, for example. Okay. And I can click on web design. Of course I want to have web design there.